Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I made this super delicious shawarma style bread at home, and honestly it turned out so good, and I'm sure you all are going to love it. I started by cutting the beef into smaller pieces. You can use any protein you have at home. After cutting the meat, I transferred it into a plate and set it aside. Then I proceeded to slice the onions. I decided to cut my onions into a round shapes because I wanted them to be visible in the food. If you are not a fan of onions, you can simply skip this part, okay? Next, I sliced the bell peppers. I'll be using red bell pepper for this recipe. Now, I seasoned the meat with curry powder, salt, seasoning cubes, and mix everything thoroughly until it is well combined. Next, place your pan on heat and add a little amount of oil. Once the oil is hot, add in the meat and start frying. Please make sure the heat is on low at this stage, okay? After frying for about 7 minutes, your meat should turn nicely golden brown. At this point, go ahead and add in the onions and the bell peppers. Stir fry everything together on a low heat for about a minute. Then set it aside. If this is your first time here, hello, you're welcome to this beautiful family. Please do well to hit that subscribe button. It is totally free. And to my OGs, thank you for always coming back. Next, grate your cheese and keep it aside as well. Now, in a small plate, add about 1¼ spoon of mayonnaise. Then add some ketchup and mix everything together until it is well combined. Now, get your bread. One mistake I made was using a very thick bread, so I will advise you to use a lighter and softer bread for a better result. Cut the bread open and gently grate a space in the middle for the filling. Then spread the mayonnaise mixture on the inside surface of the bread. After that, add the grated cheese, and please don't be stingy with it, okay? Then add the fried meat mixture on both sides of the bread. Finally, top it up with a little more cheese before closing the bread together. Now place it on a pan to toast. If you have a toaster, that's even better. If you don't, a frying pan works perfectly fine. Once one side is golden brown and crispy, flip it over to the other side. Repeat the same process until sides and edges are beautifully toasted. And just like that, you have successfully turned an ordinary bread into something absolutely delicious, and trust me, your family will definitely ask for more. Please let me know if this video was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend it to other viewers. And to my returning subscribers, I love you all. Thank you all so much for coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. I don't take it for granted. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.